Today I will show you how to merge audio tracks using Audacity. For simplicity, I am using mono audio tracks and automated the merging process rather than doing it manually. Audacity is a free audio player and a powerful sound editing program. To begin the merging process, under File, select Import and Audio. Locate Music Directory and use Ctrl or Shift to select the audio tracks you wish to merge. Then press Open. Highlight audio tracks with a double click or Ctrl A. Click on Tracks, Align Tracks and Align End to End. Again, highlight all audio tracks with a double click or Ctrl A. Click on Tracks, Mix, then Mix and Render. You have now created a merged file ready for saving. Go to File, down to Export and Export as MP3. Rename the new merged file and press Save. Click on OK. You have the option to alter or add more metadata details. When finished, press OK. If you liked Merge audio tracks using Audacity, please give it a thumbs up and look in the description below for YouTube links to split audio tracks using Audacity and my other video tutorials. Also subscribe to be notified of future PC tech tips.